Now available to own on video cassette.
Come join your favorite bear, Winnie the Pooh, in a warm and whimsical world of discovery with 4 delightful video collections.
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly silly old bear.
First, there's Storybook Classics, 4 wonderful videos based on A.A. Milne's original Pooh stories.
It makes you feel just great! You'll see.
Plus, there's 5 Pooh friendship videos. Get close to all your favorite friends from the 100-Acre Wood and see how they care for each other.
You're a real friend.
And Pooh Playtime with 5 play-along fun videos.
Ah, it's playtime, is it?
Full of laughter, warm feelings, and imagination. And you'll also love the 5 special Pooh learning videos with loving lessons on growing up, like how to share.
Why, thank you, Piglet.
Bring home all these delightful Winnie the Pooh videos.
Hooray!
Be sure to collect them all.
You got your helmet deal.
From Walt Disney Home Video.
Exactly.
Walt Disney Home Video invites you to bring home your kid's favorite puppy.
With a smile and a laugh, he can light up your day.
He's Spot.
Like the sun peeking over the hill.
Based on the best-selling books by Eric Hill, these irresistible videos offer an educational and fun way for young children to discover their world. And Spot's won many awards, too, including one of Oppenheim Toy Portfolio's Best Video for Kids Awards and the National Association of Parenting Publications Gold Award for 2 years in a row. Now treat your kids to Spot's newest adventure. Spot and his grandparents go to the carnival. He's Spot, and he's available on video from Disney.
When you put a Disney sing-along video on, magical things begin to happen.
Hi-ho, hi-ho.
It's home from we go.
Kids sing.
Bare necessities, the simple
They dance.
Necessities.
They play along with the only songs that bring smiles for generation after generation and bring memories that last a lifetime. Everyone's favorite Disney song sung by everyone's favorite Disney characters. Nothing sings, nothing dances, nothing lights up a room like a Disney sing-along song video. Bring the Disney magic home.
And
And now, our feature program.